Right. I have found weird stuff in cars before, right? Like pen knives and 50-year-old, I don't know, forks. In this book, behind a plate that's here, I found that. I cleaned it up a bit. It's from 1953, so it's post-war. It's a plate, some kind of plate. But you won't believe what I found under the dashboard. This. What the? I don't know if this is standard issue of these Jeeps, but that is really heavy. That is a slate. It's a piece of brick. It's really heavy stuff. And that was like, what the hell? That was all connected under there and bolted through. And it's like a Mary Shelley, like a Frankenstein switch. Like, it's alive! What the hell? Anyway, see you later, mates.